Hi everybody, Jeff Marion here. We've got two more verdicts in the 3M Combat Earplugs litigation. I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. This is a series of videos designed to help you understand personal injury law. I have a whole playlist dedicated to the 3M Combat Earplugs litigation, and you can check out this video as an example. I also have videos that will help you understand and navigate other areas of personal injury law, such as crashes or premises liability, and you can check out this video as an example. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and click on the bell to make sure that you get notifications of new videos coming out. So let's talk about these two new trials. They're both still happening in the Northern District of Florida, which is where all of these other cases have been held to date. At this point, though, as you may remember from some previous videos, the presiding judge recruited other judges to hear some of these cases to start working through the backlog. There are about 200,000 of these cases. So in the first verdict, we'll deliver the bad news first. Joseph Polanic, a veteran from Tennessee, did not get a favorable verdict. The jury in that case found for 3M, and they found that the combat earplugs did not cause his hearing loss and tinnitus. That particular case was overseen by Judge Lyle C. Burke from the Northern District of Alabama. If you have any questions about this 3M litigation or about unsafe products in general, leave them in the comments section below. I check regularly, and I'm happy to answer your questions. Okay, now for the good news. Another jury, in a trial that ran simultaneously with Mr. Polanic's trial, found in favor of the plaintiff. The jury awarded Guillermo Camarillo a little over $800,000 in compensatory damages and, wait for it, $12 million in punitive damages. That case was overseen by Mark E. Walker of the Northern District of Florida. For those of you keeping score at home, it's the plaintiff's 5 and 3M 3. Also, the verdicts keep getting higher and higher. It's more money, it's more money, it's more money. So, again, under normal circumstances, that's a defendant with a motivation to try to resolve the case. However, all the press to date has been 3M intending to appeal the amount of the verdict and the amount of the award. There doesn't seem to be any movement towards getting the parties to the table. We're going to have to keep an eye on the upcoming trials that are set to go off after Thanksgiving. Once we get into after Thanksgiving, there are going to be trials going pretty much straight through until the spring of 2023. I will keep updating you on all of those trials as the verdicts come in, and whether there's settlements, whatever happens, I'll be back here letting you know what's going on and what the latest is. If you've suffered hearing loss or tinnitus and you served in the military from between 2003 and 2015, you may still have a claim. Time is running very short. The window is probably going to slam shut sometime in 2022. So if you want to learn more, you think you have a case and you haven't filed yet, then please contact me at the email address below or via my website, www.jeffmarionlaw.com, and I'll sit down with you for free and go over your case and see if I can help you out. I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button that's on the screen. Check out these other videos on the 3M Combat Earplug cases. Click on the bell so you get those notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.